Good afternoon. Today is Monday, September. And this video right here, We the People, gives you a preview of what the Sustainable Development Goals are. I think it would be helpful if one responsible student from the class connects to the screen and plays the video for everybody. What you do is you press play, and then of course you make it bigger. When you're done watching this 3-minute clip, I want you to spend a minute talking at your group your initial reactions to it. Then what you're going to do is on your own, where it says the UN Sustainable Development Goals, you're going to click on this. There are 17 goals. And remember, whenever a website like this comes up and it looks like, uh-oh, I can't access it, you always click on the blue title up here and it will open up in another window. See, it opens up in another window right there. There are 17 different goals. When you click on one, for instance, where it says no poverty, you click on it, and you click on more info, and you can read about an overview. It gives you more information. I want you to spend the majority of the class looking through those 17 goals. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pick 3 goals. So here I am going back to the week of September 20th to 24th, and I'm clicking on this right here, the 3 UN Sustainable Goals. This is where you're going to tell me which 3 goals, what are your top choices of goals that you would want to interact with, learn more about, because we are going to be doing a research project and I will let you know your goals the next time we meet for social studies. What I mean by that is the goal that I put you in to research. This right here, screencast, where it says watch me submitting an assignment through Schoology, this brings you through how to submit. Please watch the screencast before submitting your work because there's a way to do that. I literally walk you through it and you have to click the create button and I show you how to do that. And if you've become an expert at it, make sure you help the friends at your table. I look forward to being back with you the next time we meet for social studies and telling you what your assigned goal is. Have a great day, and remember what it means to be a Tusker, to display the 10 learner attributes, and of course to be the best version of yourself. And of course, let's go Bills.